In this video I will be showing you how to draw a circle to touch two arcs, but first we need to draw the arcs. In order to draw the circle, therefore I will subtract the radius of each circle from the radius of the arc, and cut arcs with the center of the arcs. Finally, I will draw the circle. Your colleagues will appreciate you if you share this video with them.